Another win for Mr. Peter Obi, Labour Party, and all obedience, as appeal court approves substituted service for Mr. Peter Obi. Since Peter Obi lawyers has been unable to reach Tinubu, so the appeal court grant them access to serve APC the petition. Please guys, watch the video.
Would you say that transpired at the law?
Well, we have brought a simple application predicated on the fact that we've been looking for the second respondent. We have not found him to serve, and the law permits us to file an application for substitute service. The essence of this is to activate the court jurisdiction and get him to be heard so that we can kickstart our petition. It's just to serve him by way of substitute means through the political party APC and its office and its officers. Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
What really transpired in court as at the time you were there?
Well, we've come to urge the court to grant us leave to serve the second and third respondent, that is Ahmed Bola Tinubu and Kashim Shettima, with our court processes by substituted means. That is to say, to permit us to serve them through the legal advisor of All Progressives Congress, APC, in Abuja here.
What are the processes?
The petition, we have filed petition against the return of Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Kashim Shettima by INEC. And we have to serve them by substituted means because it is practically impossible to serve them personally as required by law, because having been returned and now declared president-elect, the security around them will make it practically impossible for them to be served personally. And we have taken the liberty to activate the jurisdiction of the court to permit us to serve them through the legal advisor or any officer of APC at the APC national headquarters.
Your name, sir?
My name is Ikechukwu Ezechukwu. Counsel to the petitioners, Gregory Peter Obi and Labour Party.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
The party's presidential candidate, Mr. Peter Obi, to serve his petition challenging the February 25th presidential election on Senator Bola Tinubu. Mr. Obi is challenging the victory of Senator Tinubu, the presidential candidate of the All Progressives Congress and the president-elect. Well, his counsel, Ikechukwu Ezechukwu, a senior advocate of Nigeria, in an ex parte application, asked the appellate courts to grant Mr. Obi and the Labour Party leave to serve the petition on Senator Tinubu and Vice President-elect Kashim Shettima through substituted means. Mr. Ezechukwu argued that it has been necessary to serve the court filings through substituted means on Senator Tinubu and Shettima, owing to heightened security protection around them. The lawyer urged the court to permit Mr. Obi to serve the court document through the office of the legal advisor to the APC. And ruling on the application, a three-member panel of the Court of Appeal Abuja, led by Haruna Samani, granted Mr. Obi's request. The court ordered that the petition be served on Senator Tinubu and Shettima by delivering or pasting the petition and all other processes filed in the petition at either the office of the National Legal Advisor of the APC or with any other officer of the APC at its National Secretariat at number 40 Blantyre Street of Ademolade Tokumbo Crescent in the Federal Capital Territory. In the ex parte application, Mr. Obi noted that the bailiff of the Court of Appeal made unsuccessful attempts to serve the petition personally on Senators Tinubu and Shettima. He said the purpose of the serve of the court filings, whether personal or by substitute means, is to bring the pendency of any proceeding to the knowledge of the party on whom the process is meant to be served personally. Mr. Obi, in his petition, is asking the court to either declare him as Nigeria's president or order a fresh election, which Mr. Tinubu will be excluded from participating in. The expert request was filed in the court.